You go for the church, right?
Yeah, but I should have brought my son this morning. He
So
knows
we
every
both
Bible
grew up
verse.
in the church. I was actually an altar boy, believe it or not. So folks, in this fun stop, our producer wants us to finish the Bible verses that will be shown on screen. If we get it wrong, then we have to drink water and eat bread.
The first Bible
Michael,
verse.
you know the Bible, Michael? Stay close to me.
Mr. Hogan, can we call a lifeline?
We just,
I
but
want
me,
Michael
now
on
what me
my
have
side.
Michael already, me know you give. Let's go, because I know these things. Come, put it up and make
The
a
first
deal.
Bible verse.
Is-
Viewers, this is for you. Finish this verse. Let's go. Producer, hello, time is ticking on the clock. I am a promise, I am a possibility, amazing grace.
Yeah, man, we can finish that one.
There's a verse.
For I know
Okay,
the
chorus
plans
song.
I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a
new life. And a few,
No, you said new life. I don't know where you're going.
What you say?
Give you a future.
No, I said future.
No, you said new life. And I said future.
Same thing.
It is not
If you
the
look
same.
at the definition of future, future means something new in your
Wait,
life.
do me a favor,
okay?
no? Do
You
me a
have
favor,
to break
no?
down the
Wait.
language.
Yeah, but
okay?
no, but the word
You
is
can't-
future.
No,
I
it's not.
said
The
future.
point is, I said a new life, which means the same thing. Interpretation. This is my interpretation of the Bible verse, and you cannot say I am wrong. Okay? So nyam the bread or move on. Let's go.
Did
Next.
I say future? And
Did
what
I
is the
say
answer?
new life?
And what is the answer? All right. That's all me want to know.
Which version? Which man version are you in? Which
All right. Well, is that?
who named King James?
She wrong. Next
is that
one.
the King James? I'm not
Next
into
one.
the King James version. My
Next one.
Okay, next.
I can do all things through him who gives me
Strength. We said it together. Strength. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten
Son, that whoever believes in him shall not perish but have everlasting life. Everlasting.
Everlasting. Eternal. Everlasting.
I said it before.
See?
Again.
Or eternal.
But
You
I'm
see?
not quarreling. Nobody
You see?
quarreling with you, you know.
Okay, good.
You got the first one wrong. Nobody not quarreling with
Right. The psychologist said, don't be angry, think nice things, be
you.
kind
So
to your...
you must give up anger for Lent. So do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my...
mighty right hand.
Change, no? Because I know you change when you not say mighty. Change.
I will uphold you with my... Mighty?
Yeah.
Mighty right
Yeah.
hand. Am I right or wrong?
You soon see.
Well, let's put up the answer.
You soon see. Kind of hungry still.
Righteous. That's the word I was looking
You're
for.
wrong.
Mighty and righteous
You're
have
wrong.
the same meaning.
No. No. You're wrong again.
Mighty
Your belly supposed to full
depends
by
on
now.
how you interpret it. To be mighty and righteous have a similar meaning.
Remember, next. You're wrong
Okay.
2 times now and you don't eat not yet. Yeah.
I'm giving up bread for Lent.
And water.
I'm drinking.
Yeah,
You
give
know,
bread and water.
talk
So
about-
the next one there.
Okay, start something off on the way they should go.
And even when they are old, they will not turn from it.
Start a child off in the way they should go, and even when they are old, they will not turn from it.
Yep. You're right.
I know I'm right, so drink. A child or
I
children.
never said nothing.
Yeah, same thing. Child, children, whichever one. If we have a children, if I want a child.
You know, say you don't get nothing perfect all you have to. Everything.
No, but life is imperfect. And you see, when you are aspiring to be perfect, you will feel like a failure. You know, that's the problem with this new world. Everybody wants to be perfect.
Worship the Lord your God.
There's no
and
such thing as perfect. We are all perfectly
Worship
flawed.
the Lord.
Perfectly flawed. And you must embrace that and know that. It's okay. I make mistakes in life. And I
Lord,
own it. And I
Lord.
learn from it. Next verse.
Lord, I apologize. That's all I can say. I know you can't deal with all these things, Heavenly Father, but
Worship the Lord your God and serve him with all your might. Okay.
no,
You know,
all your might and
Means
only is the same thing. All your
Where
might
you
and
pass
honor.
it, yes.
Folks, for those who are doing C-Sec, now listen to nothing what she said.
You know, it's true. Please don't, because let me tell you something. You know, my son goes to a Bible school, you know.
But no faith, hope.
No, can I just say something?
You can't say anything.
My son asked me to come to the show this morning, and I said, oh, son, no, because he knows every verse in the Bible.
And he would have know how you done.
And he said, Mommy, I want to be on TV. And I was like, well, you know, I don't know if I'm ready to put you on TV.
And he would realize that Mommy really done.
Sometimes you need to listen to the... What did you just say?
He would realize that Mommy really done with you, though.
Listen, don't speak like that. My child is watching. Okay?
He's watching? Mommy is the brightest mother in the world.
It's a reflection of your own self. If you have a problem, the psychologist is still there. Okay.
So the fact that I say you don't, is me really don't.
I don't know what that word is.
Okay.
Okay?
So one year, come, I know you have
Okay,
this one.
yeah.
I know you have this one.
1 Corinthians 13. But now faith, hope,
and
charity, abide these three. But the greatest of these is love.
So how you get charity up this one, love down and love never up near top one.
But now faith, hope, love, abide these three. But the greatest of these
love.
is... No, you're right. Charity, love.
Love for the two space.
I know, that's what I was saying, but
No, you
charity
said-
is love. When you give...
Oh, charity is...
When you give charitably...
I wrong
That
version
is
them
an
here a
act
while
of
ago.
love.
Yeah.
Well, see, who is King James?
Eh?
A King James, right? Me not trust King James. Me not trust. A King James is? Me not trust no King James.
Question, anybody have any butter? That bread don't say
You know what's a really cool meal that we do?
Well,
In Cafe Africa, we take out the middle. And then it's a South African dish. It's still, it's important. We talk about our history. It's called, I forget what it's called. And you put the curry in there or the stew beef like that. And then you take the bread like this. And then you eat it out. Or you can make like a lentil stew or something.
oh, that reach when me ask the butter. Oh, that...
Because I'm
we
showing you
reach
how
that.
to make it feel like butter. Look, take the bread and squeeze it so it feels buttery. Because the texture changes.
Yeah, because butter and bread it mean the same thing, no? We know that. All right, after the break, Jamaica Dance Umbrella presents, how you pronounce that, sir? Biosphere? Biosphere. I said it.
And what does that mean now? It has a double meaning too, right?
No, it means the same thing, love. Biosphere means
you
love.
know what?
Yeah, we soon find out, because we're not hearing them.
The African something. You don't know nothing about that.
If you follow Empress, every word in our world means the same thing.
No, but is it homophone or homograph? You know about that?
Where you gone?
English.
We soon come.